I am here to tell you about the most exciting advancement in tile and grout cleaning since the scrub brush. But before I tell you about it, let's watch it work. It's called the SX-12 by Hydroforce. The SX-12 cleans the tile and grout lines like a magic wand. One pass removes years of built-up soil on the tile and especially on the grout lines. You can see that it works great on commercial or residential jobs. Watch as the SX-12 takes these extra dirty grout lines from black to white in a single pass. Pretty amazing, isn't it? Let me explain how it works. The SX-12 is a contained pressure washing system. In other words, it pressure washes the surface while it vacuums up the spent solution, the water, and the soil, leaving the surface sparkling clean. And it dries almost instantly. Just hook up the SX-12 to the high pressure line of your truck mount or to a high pressure portable like the Olympus 1200 and you're ready to clean. For effective cleaning, your machine will need to provide at least 800 psi of water pressure. The water pressure spins the swivel and spray arms, giving an unparalleled cleaning action. The vacuum slots under the hood pick up the water and soil and deliver them into the waste tank. All you have to do is spray the floor with one of Hydroforce's super strength pre-sprays. Allow 5 minutes of dwell time, then move the SX-12 over the floor at a moderate speed and watch the soil disappear.
Oh, it looks much better. It looks like a brand new store. In fact, I don't think that our tile looked this good when it was brand new.
Before they cleaned it, it was like a brown color grout. And when he made one pass over it, the difference was so major that I was amazed by the difference with one single pass of the wand.
It's amazing to see that tile just brighten up, and it's normally black become white, and people go, oh, I didn't know I had white tile.
Your customers will love this. You see, any other method of cleaning tile and grout was either extremely hard, time-consuming work, or it was ineffective.
The alternative to this method is hands and knees, especially for the homeowner. Hands and knees, scrubbing on your, scrubbing with toothbrushes and cleanser and such, and it's just a terribly time-consuming and horrible process.
We mop every day, but we don't scrub the grout because it didn't make any difference when we did.
If you look at comparative processes, you're looking at multiple pieces of equipment, a rotary machine, a pressure washing machine, a squeegee tool, things like that, and then more of a complicated process.
It's a very simple system. You just hook it up to your truck mount, you spray a solution, a pre-spray, and you go over it, and that's all there is to it. It's clean.
When the customer sees the results of a quick demonstration, the sale is usually automatic.
You do a quick 2 or 3 minute demonstration, the customer sees it go from that dark to light, they love it, and you've got an immediate sale. And you can do it with your same machine, your same truck mount, your same portable that you're doing your carpet cleaning with.
I am very impressed of what this machine has done, and the floor looks awesome. I think I'm going to buy a machine.
When I first saw the tool, I thought, this is just another tool to come down the pike. I was a little bit skeptical. And then we ran the tool, and I was sold, just like that.
As with any cleaning job, you will need a few specialty tools to clean the areas the SX-12 can't get to. Here are all the tools you will need to get into the tile cleaning business. First is the Gecko. The Gecko is a great tool with a single jet action used for reaching edges and corners. It's also perfect for smaller jobs like bathrooms. The Gecko has interchangeable heads with 4 jets for frequent maintenance cleaning or simple rinsing. Just twist the collar to tighten and connect the hose and you're ready to go. Next is the Gecko Edge Tool. You'll love this tool for edges, corners, and coving along the base of the wall. The Edge Tool pressure washes without overspray and flooding. Is that cool or what? One of the newest accessories is the SX-7. The SX-7 is a smaller handheld version of the SX-12. Used for vertical surfaces such as shower stalls or for countertops, this handy tool will pay for itself with just a couple of jobs. But in addition to just cleaning tile and grout, There is another step in the process that is really easy and highly profitable. That is sealing the grout. You see, the grout lines are generally porous, allowing soil to penetrate the surface. With the Hydroforce sealers, you can protect the grout lines from soil and stains penetrating the surface. They will clean easier the next time around. Using the Hydroforce Premium Stone and Grout Sealer and the Turbo Stick or Grout Stick, you can apply directly to the grout line from a standing position. You can also spray the entire floor, then squeegee the sealer into the grout lines. This is fast, easy, and very profitable. It's a great service for your customers. If you are dealing with grout that is stained or just the wrong color for the current decor, you can seal it with Hydroforce pigmented sealers. This is more time-consuming, but you can charge a premium price. Well, there you have it. Tile and grout cleaning in a nutshell. With the SX-12, you can offer an additional service, make more money, and keep your clients happy.
Not only do you have a good product to make you money, but you have a product that makes customers say, wow, that's neat.
You may be wondering how to market this service. That has to be the hard part, right? Nope, that's just as easy as the actual cleaning. You will be surprised how many of your current customers have tile in their home along with carpet.
In homes, there's more and more tile going in every day. In businesses, there's more and more tile entryways and entrances going in every day. And if they're not doing tile and grout cleaning, they're costing themselves income and not providing the service that a lot of their customers will want.
In fact, industry statistics of floor covering sales show that the amount of carpet being sold is shrinking while tile is experiencing a significant gain. Less carpet and more tile means an opportunity for you.
More and more we're seeing tile and grout and other hard surfaces replacing and adding to carpet. So in many, many jobs you're going to be doing the carpet cleaning, and this becomes a very simple add-on sale.
So when you are bidding on or actually doing a cleaning job, whether residential or commercial, look for tile floors and ask the owner if he or she would like a quick demonstration of your new tile cleaning service. Once they see the results, they will be sold. Think about it like this. You'll do great if you just get to clean the tile floors that you are dragging your hoses over to get to the carpet. For some commercial jobs, you may want to offer tile and grout cleaning as your main service. Go into any commercial area and you are bound to find thousands upon thousands of square feet of tile floors on every block. Hydroforce has also produced postcards and brochures that will aid you in the presentation of your service. Here's a real bonus. This is a service that you won't have to learn at the School of Hard Knocks. You can sit down at your own computer with the Accelerated Learning Module by Chris Avendano, one of the best tile men in the country. This module consists of narrated PowerPoint presentations with embedded video so you can see the teaching points in action. Here's something else really cool. You can choose on the same CD to learn the material in either English or Spanish. So you may be wondering how much it costs to get into the business and how much money you can make. Well, if you already have a truck mount or a high-pressure portable, you are most of the way there. You can buy the SX-12 and other tools you will need for under $1,500. Throw in some chemical in the training module and you're still under $2,000. I would wager that you can recoup your investment inside of a week if you pay just a little attention to it. How much can you make? We are hearing prices from 50 cents to $1.25 per square foot just for the cleaning. Sealing the floor can bring another 35 cents to $1.25 per foot. This can mean up to $300 per man-hour while the SX-12 is working. Those numbers should make any cleaner happy.
Now, the other thing that a carpet cleaner needs to consider is the profitability of this system. Because as an add-on service, you're doing it while you're in the home, and you're doing it, you're doing it very quickly. It's actually much quicker than carpet cleaning, and you can charge quite a bit more.
I'd advise anyone who wants to get into the tile and grout business, if they thought it was something that was out of their control or their reach, you know, have a demo and you'll change your mind.
Almost everybody that demonstrates one ends up buying one because it's so easy and so profitable. I promise you've never seen anything like it.
I hope I've sparked some interest. Ask your distributor for a complete demonstration of the SX-12 tile and grout cleaning system. It is the best thing you can do for your company. Thanks for watching and good luck on your new venture.